Harsh Roongta, CEO ApnaPaisa, is one of India's foremost personal finance experts. Harsh is a co-founder of ApnaPaisa.com, which helps consumers take informed decisions. Harsh speaks, writes and advises regularly on personal finance related matters. Welcome to Apna Paisa Show.
Hello and welcome. I am Harsh Roongta and you are watching the ApnaPaisa show. So why are you watching this show? Perhaps you want freedom from financial worries and you want customized solutions to your unique problems. Or you could be interested in knowing, can I really afford this? Or you might want to know, what should I do next? Whatever it is that's your problem or your dilemma, we will solve it right here on the ApnaPaisa show. So let's get started. Our first guest for today is Mr. Arindam Bhattacharya. Let's welcome him. Welcome Mr. Bhattacharya to the ApnaPaisa show. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir.
So Mr. Bhattacharya, what brings you to the ApnaPaisa show?
Sir, my son is an engineer and he wants to do an MBA in the US, which will cost us 20 lakhs.
Okay.
The bank has agreed to pay 15 lakhs but wants our house as security.
So this, you said the course costs 20 lakhs and the bank is giving a loan of 15 lakhs. This balance of 5 lakhs, how is that getting funded?
My son has got some savings from his previous job, sir.
Excellent. And you were also mentioning that this house, there is a loan outstanding on this house.
Yes. This bank is taking over that home loan and also giving us the education.
What you are saying is that the bank that's giving the education loan is also taking over your existing home loan. So excellent, that should solve your problem, and the balance 5 lakhs your son already has.
Right.
So in that case, what is the issue or what is the dilemma?
Sir, I have just my worries that whether I'm doing the right thing or not.
Okay, in terms of?
In terms of my son may not come back from US. The whole plan may backfire on me. So I want your advice whether I'm doing the right thing or not.
So first of all, Mr. Bhattacharya, I think what you are going through is a very common dilemma because clearly you want your son to be an MBA, isn't it?
Right.
And you want to do whatever it is takes for him to become an MBA.
Right.
At the same time, you are worried that because you are giving your property as a security, and if for any reason your son is not able to pay or there is a delay in repayment, it is your house that will get affected. I think that dilemma is pretty standard and it's common. Essentially what you are doing is you are actually borrowing money from the bank and lending it to your son.
But I really want him to do the MBA, sir. So can you suggest some way in which I can secure myself also and get the loan also?
So I think the way to do that, Mr. Bhattacharya, is that you can perhaps enter into a separate agreement with your son, making clear, absolutely, a legal agreement, making it clear to both of you, right, where the son acknowledges that this loan has been taken to fund his education and that it is his liability to repay that loan. I think that kind of a legal obligation, connect that or add that to the social pressure that is anyway there in an Indian family. I think that's a reasonable safeguard for the problem that's worrying you. What happens if he does not repay? I think that should perhaps solve the issue that you have.
Thank you, Mr. Roongta. That really puts my worries at ease. Thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. Bhattacharya. Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, sure. If you have a similar problem or a concern that you want to share with us, please write to us at the email address that you see on the bottom of the screen and we'll be very happy to make you a part of the ApnaPaisa show.